Hey everyone, welcome to the video. I'm glad you joined me. I hope you're well today. And my name is Owen Fox, and in this video I want to talk about how good it is to be in a very sort of conscious and loving and conscientious and relationship where both people are have learned a lot. They've come through life a fair bit, and there's a lot of love and a lot of emphasis on taking responsibility and personal growth and healing. There's no blaming. There's a lot of deep love and connection and laughter and fun. And there's definitely deep honesty, and there's trust, and there's no little to no drama, basically speaking. I want to say that every relationship in life is a stepping stone, and we all learn and grow from each other, and the soul groups and the soul clusters are contracts, agreements that come in together in big waves, big groups. So everyone in your life serves a purpose, and eventually there comes a time also where sometimes if a relationship isn't serving you, if you let go of it and, see if you can identify the reasons or fears or attachments why you're clinging on to something that's not good or healthy for you, be it a drug, a physical drug, or like bad food, processed stuff, or especially relationships, or potentially even a job. We have to identify, and if we do let go, it creates a space for something better to come. But we have to overcome that hurdle and obstacle first within ourselves, the block. And then really better stuff comes along. And I don't mean that with I mean that with loving respect to my ex-partners, because I was a stepping stone for them. And I don't mean in a bad way, because if both people learn, grow and heal together in a relationship and put a lot of effort into improving and saying sorry and making amends and healing and becoming connected intimately, emotionally and mentally intimate, then they can be the stepping stone from how their relationship used to be to a new higher level of vibration in the still existing same person relationship. But while it's the same physical person, it's a different energy both people are embodying, because as you learn, grow and heal, you let go of blockages, limiting beliefs. You let go of closed heart energies. You let go of blocks within your heart and your mind, which blocked so much fun, love and joy together. So, in my life now, I'm so happy to be in a relationship where so many beautiful energies are part of the relationship. I think there's a lot of fun. What's new is there's a lot of fun, happiness, play and laughter. We've both come to a stage where we're capable of a lot of physical intimacy and even sexual comfort and exciting chemistry and passion and sharing and fun and play in that department. Just a lot of love that we feel energetically or vibrationally in our hearts, and love and appreciation with our mind for each other. It becomes translated and shared and expressed even physically too, in a romantic way and in a sexual way too. So I feel I definitely couldn't have the same sexual connection, no way, I've not in the slightest bit, with someone where you don't love and respect and deeply admire and appreciate and love the way they are, mentally and emotionally. One thing that I really particularly love about my current partner is she's always trying really hard. She's putting her best foot forward. She's really, really, really trying to become a better person, a clearer, lighter, brighter version of herself, more expanded version with less limitations, opening to more abundance of all the positive emotion, the abundance of positive emotion, everyone. That's the greatest abundance in the world. But then even also more physical abundance and greater levels of appreciation and gratitude too for what you have. It's not like we're chasing riches physically because we feel lacking emotionally. When you feel abundant and grateful mentally and emotionally, then it's good. Then physical stuff like money or things is a form of energy, something to be cherished and loved and appreciated too. And not only that, but it's something to actually then to use for the good of others. So for example, it's not just about making money, it's about what you're going to do with the money. So a lot of people might get a lot of money or win the lotto, but they don't know what to do with that money. They can't hold that energy, so it becomes squandered and lost, and then they become poor again, because they're not even feeling rich which means to be grateful and appreciative in the first place. So that it is abundant to feel gratitude for life, because there's like a million things in this physical life, a billion, and you can pick any of your top 20, 30, 50, 100 in the week easily. There's enough to be happy about. So it's only when you cultivate that focus and mindset, you start to experience more gratitude and love and appreciation for people and things, such as your home, your bag, my bike, which you can't see, my helmet, my loved ones, my mum, my body, the air, the sunlight, my hair, my friends, abundance of money coming my way, which I do to try and help people. Like, you don't have to have a spiritual job, like to try and be a light worker or a do-gooder. It's all about the energy you embody and bring, which comes from your mental well-being and awareness. So when you make your interactions with people at whatever your work is more uplifting, because you're an uplifter and it feels good to uplift. So when you become more of an uplifter and an empowerer, a lover through compliments and kindness and good energy and acceptance and love unconditionally of people, you are obviously then you're a light worker, because we're all light workers truly, but it's only about tapping in and tuning in and being that through letting go of the blockages. So when we do receive this, to get into this like feeling of like joy and love and gratitude, that is abundance. Then if we do win the lotto or we make more money, it's just a beautiful bonus which we add to our appreciation. And when you're in this higher vibration, you don't use it to hoard, you use it to share and to love and to be kind and to help and empower and uplift other people and institutions or things, whatever the case may be. Your family, your friends, or a community, or potentially even a charity, or it could be just like help others who are doing good too. Yeah. So, yeah, it's interesting. Sorry, I just got off a little bit of tangent there, but yeah, I like that. Like, it's, I take back that. Sorry, it was a good thing I talked about there. It's like, yeah. So yeah, it feels so good, everyone. Like, I highly, really, really recommend you to do the work, to work on yourself, and to try as hard as you can with happiness and joy, not struggle or hardship. Try and succeed in becoming a greater version of yourself, because it's all about joy coming here. It's all about expansion. It's all about experience. So yeah, I hope this video has helped. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I just cannot say any longer like how much better it is to be in a loving, prosperous, thriving, gorgeous and romantic and fun and loving and connected and dramaless relationship. Sure, there's a little bit of sometimes hiccups, sometimes a little bit of higher unsettled emotions, a little bit of potential triggers from past programming or hurts. But the thing is, we work through it in a loving and respectful way. Sometimes you need a bit of space more, sometimes you just need a little bit of love more, and unconditional love and understanding. So that's the big difference. And you keep improving all the time. And I've seen that in my partner. Every month she's improving, and me too, becoming greater, more wise, balanced versions of ourselves. And I've no attachment to our relationship. It's not about needing and clinging. It's about joy and love and celebration. Yeah. Anyway, I love her to pieces. She's such a sweetheart. She really is. She's so supportive, and I don't know, she's just great. I really like her a lot. Love our energy together. Such a good person, for sure. And we're all great people, but such a good energy of her current expanding version. Let's put it that way. Because we're all beautiful, soulful sweethearts. It's all about doing the healing and the growth and the learning to expand and to tap into who we beautifully truly are. And that's an ever-changing, expanding state too. So constant change is the way of life, not only outwardly but even inwardly. But how much and to what degree we change is always up to us, everybody. It's up to us. We're so free we can choose bondage. We're so free we can choose expansion. I love expansion because it makes life way better, happier and fun. My three of my favourite things are fun, play and laughter. I love inner child, but I also like to embody the divine warrior, the divine beautiful inner adult too, who has responsibilities and takes care of business and stuff. And divine inner father and mother. You know, I have We all have the divine feminine and masculine. We all have a certain degree of divine fatherliness or motherliness too, those beautiful qualities. Yeah. And doing this isn't spiritual. I can't wait to make another video about what spirituality truly is. Stay tuned for that, everyone. It's going to knock your socks off. You're going to love it. For me, I love it so much too. Double bless. This is a mixture of tapping and physical expression of gratitude, love and appreciation. Yeah, spirituality is not what you look like. It's not what it seems to be with the eyes. It's not what you hear with your ears either necessarily. Anyway, stay tuned. So any new videos on body, mind, spirit, physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, holistic, thriving, pure joy living. Subscribe to the New Age Sage Clown Transformer, which is me, pure joy. And hit the notifications button for new videos so you get subscribed. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And I love and appreciate shares for other people to benefit and learn from too. So thanks for that. And thanks for giving the like if you've liked it. Or the dislike if you couldn't dislike it, could you? Maybe you could. Nah, I think you liked it. Okay, have a nice day, everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful day. Keep being who you are, everyone. You're such a beautiful person. Keep uplifting, keep having fun, play and laughter. Love life, appreciate the goodness. It's everywhere. And it's all over you, and it's all within you and everybody else. It really is. It truly is, even the lost people. Anyway, catch you again. Take care. Bye. Have fun.